Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one overlooked item about speeding up your PC sometimes can also be checked in the sign-in options. So we talked about how to check in the task manager for startup items, but there's another place where apps can sometimes restart because of a new setting that's been added in recent versions of Windows 10. So if you go into your settings, right click on the start button, go into settings, and then go into the accounts section, you'll notice that in the sign in options, there is one thing that can be turned on, and it's restart apps. Restart apps says automatically save my restartable apps when I sign out and restart them after I sign in. So this, of course, what it means is that it saves the current session in which you were working with some of the apps. And when you restart your PC, or when you actually start up your PC and it signs in again, it will actually want to restart all of the apps that you were actually using with their status. Now, this is technically off by default, but I've noticed that some people have noticed they actually turned it on for some reason. And it could be an app sometimes that says, I can restart with the last options that you did, which triggers this slider to be on rather than off. So make sure that this is off to not have the obligation of having all of these apps restart. Most of what restarts here, by the way, are apps from the Microsoft Store, the core apps of Windows 10 and 11. So it's important to understand that it doesn't affect everything. Most x64 or 32-bit apps that you could be running actually follow the rules of the Task Manager Startup tab. But some apps from the Microsoft Store will follow the rule of the Restart Apps section here in the sign-in options of Windows. So make sure that that is off so that you don't have to basically check out all the apps, have all the apps start again and then slow down your PC. And then, sometimes you don't want them to start. Sometimes they'll start full screen, and there's all sorts of things can happen. So the minimum amount of stuff that starts up with your PC, the best it is, not just for the boot up time, but for also the performance as you're using your Windows PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.